minerals, bromine, so etc. So directly into minerals. We can classify the minerals into metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral, energy minerals. So differently, three different things. Metallic, non-metallic, and energy. 1, 2, 3. And within metallic itself, you can classify them into two. Ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous means iron containing. This non-iron containing. Fine. Ferrous mineral first. Ferrous. Accounts for about 3/4. It accounts for about 3/4 of the total value the production of metallic mineral. Total value of the production of metallic mineral, which means ferrous minerals are the predominant within the metallic minerals. 3/4 of the total value of the production of the metallic minerals. First example is iron ore. Which is the finest iron ore, which contain around 70% of iron. Around 70%, this particular ore contains 70% iron. It is iron rich. Yeah. That's the M. Magnetite. Yeah. India has a fairly good amount of good quality iron. Good quality iron ore. India has a fair amount of good quality iron ore. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with 70% of iron. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with 70% iron. Hematite. Next. Hematite. It's a widely used iron ore. A widely used iron ore. With slightly lower iron content. 50 to 60%. Which one is very commonly used for the industrial purposes? Is it magnetite or hematite? Obviously, it is hematite. Yes. Predominantly, it is hematite is used. Hematite is widely used for industrial purposes. Around 97% of iron ore, around 97% of iron ore, 97% of iron ore is coming from Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Jharkhand. Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Jharkhand, which means 97% of iron ore is coming from 4 states. Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Jharkhand. See, all these states are located in the peninsular plateau. Not just east, Karnataka is there in the southwestern side. So it is in a plateau region. Next is manganese. Mainly used in the manufacturing of manganese, mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferrous manganese alloys. Ferrous manganese alloys. Largest producers: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Karnataka. Nickel, next. Nickel. Used in the manufacturing of nickel is used in the manufacturing of armored plates and bullet jackets. Nickel is used in the manufacturing of armored plates and bullet jackets. Odisha is the largest producer. Odisha is the largest producer, followed by Jharkhand. Odisha is the largest producer, followed by Jharkhand. Next group is non-ferrous metallic minerals. Non-ferrous metallic minerals. Copper, bauxite, lead, zinc, gold, copper, bauxite, lead, zinc, gold are the major non-ferrous minerals. What are the uses? Engineering and electrical mainly. Engineering and electrical. So first one is a copper. India is critically deficient. India is critically deficient in the reserves India is critically deficient in the reserves and production of copper. We are rich in iron, but copper is, we are lacking. We have deficiency. Mainly used in electrical, electronics, and chemical industries. Mainly used in electrical, electronics, and chemical industries. Leading producers. Leading producers. Palghat mines of Madhya Pradesh. Palghat mines of MP. K3 mines of Rajasthan. Tingbhum of Jharkhand. Tingbhum of Jharkhand. Next is the bauxite. Bauxite. Yeah. World in the sense exporters and importers. That's it. Bauxite is the predominant ore of alumina. Predominant ore of alumina. The same thing you need to do for agriculture also. Largest producing states, largest producing country, largest exporting country likewise. Because last 5 years question, if you see the last 5-year question, the largest producer of rice is asked, largest exporter of rice is asked, largest coffee producing state is asked. So likewise, it need to be referred. The predominant ore of alumina. Bauxite deposits are formed. Bauxite deposits are formed from the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks, which contain aluminum silicates. Which means this aluminum ore is product of the collection of a lot of weathered materials of rocks that contain aluminum silicates. There are different types of rocks. So from all these things, when the rocks disintegrate or weather, all those materials will be taken by the fluvial action or running water. They'll get deposited and accumulate in the clay regions. That's how clay gets this much of bauxite. It's an important metal. Alumina is an important metal. Since it combine the strength of iron, with extreme lightness, with extreme lightness, with good conductivity. Yes. Yeah. When you think about alumina, think about this one, aviation sector. Most of the parts is made up of alumina. Most of our gadgets, alumina is a predominant composition. India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in Amarkandak Plateau, Maikala Hills, and Plateau of Bilaspur. Largest producers: Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and a very recurring name. What is that? No. Karnataka. Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Karnataka. Within that, Odisha produces around 53%. Odisha has a 53%. Next is non-metallic. Non-metallic. Predominant type is a mica. Non-metallic, the most important is mica. A mineral made up of a series of plates or layers. Have you seen mica? Not in real. It appears like a glass. Sometimes it can be seen within granite, can be seen in any other metamorphic rocks in between. When you take a granite piece, you can find a film-like thing will be going. So these are called as the mica layers. And you can take it in other hands. It is a black colored. It is a soft also. You can break it. So this is an important mineral used in the electrical industries. It is a predominant mineral which is used in the electrical industries. Mica. It can be black, green. It can be black, green, red. Mica can be black, green, red, or transparent. Mainly used in electrical and electronic industries. Mica deposits are mainly found in Chota Nagpur Plateau, Kodarma, Gaya. Kodarma and Gaya. Who's the largest producer? Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the largest producer of mica.